number 1, conversion of fraction to decimal. 4 over 5. So, ang ibig sabihin po niyan is 4 divided by 5. So, i-divide natin yung 4 sa 5 ng manual para ma-convert sa decimal. So, madi-divide ba yung 4 sa 5? Hindi. So, maglagay ng decimal dito. Tapos, 0 before the decimal point. And then, add 0. 40 divided by 5? 8 times 5? 40. 40. Then, subtract. 40 minus 40? 0. Ito na po yung decimal form ng 4 over 5. So, this is your final answer. Number 2, conversion of fraction to decimal. So, ibig sabihin po nito, 11 over 8 is 11 divided by 8. So, to convert this, we're going to divide 11 by 8, manual. So, ganito po. 11 divided by 8. So, madi-divide ba yung 11 sa 8? Madi-divide. So, lalagyan natin ng 1. 1 times 8. 8. So, minus. Ilan? 11 minus 8? 3. Ngayon, madi-divide ba yung 3 sa 8? Madi-divide? Hindi. Di ba? Mag-decimal tayo dyan. Decimal point dito. And then, add 0. Bring down 0. 30 divided by 8? 3. 3 times 8? 24. Subtract natin. 30 minus 24? 6. Madi-divide ba yung 6 sa 8? Hindi. Add 0. Bring down 0. 60 divided by 8? 7. Okay, 7 times 8? 56. Minus natin? 4. Madi-divide ba yung 4? Sa 8? Hindi. Okay, bring down 0. 40 divided by 8? 5. 5 times 8? 40. Ganun na. Ito na po yung decimal form ng 11 over 8. This is your final answer. Number 3, we're going to convert 2 over 3 into decimal. So to convert this, i-divide natin manually. Kasi 2 over 3 is 2 divided by 3. 2 divided by